Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And pray. Finish. Okay guys, now I will check your attendance list, and if you in here you answer present is. Okay, I won't call your name one by one. Yosef Stanley Manuel.
Present, Mister. Miss.
Abdul Pasharudin.
Present, Miss.
Nabila Agustin.
Present, Miss.
Yosi Andela.
Present, Miss.
Jenny Agustina.
Present, Miss.
Okay, now it's time to sing our yell.
Okay.
Everybody clap the best.
You
You are the best.
I am the best. We are the best. You are the best. I am the best. We are the best. Yes.
Okay, good job class. Okay, doesn't anyone remember what did learn about last week? How about you, Nabila?
About
Position.
analytical exposition.
Okay, good job, Nabila. And how about you, Abdul?
Same Nabila, Miss.
Okay, good.
Now we learn about hortatory exposition.
Okay, today we learn about hortatory exposition. The first definition, the second purpose, and the last generic structure. Definition about hortatory exposition is a type of text is intended to explain the listener or reader that something should or should not happen or be done. And the example what hortatory exposition, the first, the importance of trust management, and the second, the importance of health protocol to prevent COVID-19. And the purpose of hortatory exposition to persuade the readers that something should or should not be the case. And jadi dari hortatory exposition ini adalah bertujuan untuk memaksa pembaca untuk setuju pada isu yang kita angkat, bahkan mengikutinya. Nah, jadi hortatory exposition ini dipaksa oleh penulis agar mengikuti atau setuju pada isu yang telah ia tuliskan. And next, generic structure. The generic structure, the first thesis, the second argument, and the last recommendation. What is thesis? Thesis, this section is the main topic you want to cover, and the argument, opinion to support the main topic, and the recommendation, the final part of this article contains recommendation for the reader. And next slide, this is example to hortatory exposition. The title is the importance of healthy protocol to prevent COVID-19. The first paragraph, this is thesis, and the second paragraph, this is argument, and the last paragraph, this is recommendation. Okay, guys, do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now I will check your understanding. I have assignment for you. Before I give you assignment, I divide you into two groups. The first group, Yosef and Abdul, and the second group, Nabila, Yosi, and Yeni. Okay, the assignment is you decorate and you stick up on paper, and after you finish, you present in front Okay guys, if you have finished your task,
Yes, finish.
Yes, finish, miss.
okay. The presentation in front of class, the first group.
Upload. Okay, miss. Sound. Okay, guys. Now I want to present my task. The title is the importance of reading. I personally think that reading is a very important activity in our life. Why do I say so? Firstly, by reading we can get a lot of knowledge about many things in the world, such as science, technology, sport, art, culture, etc. Written in either books, magazine, newspaper, etc. Secondly, by reading we can get a lot of news and information about something happening in any part of the world which can we see directly. Another reason, reading can give us pleasure too. When we are tired, we read books, novel, or newspaper or magazine on the entertainment columns such as comedy, short story, quiz, etc. to make us relax. The last, reading can also take us to other parts of the world. By reading a book about Irian Jaya, we may feel we're really sitting in the jungles, not at home in our rooms. From the fact above is obvious that everyone needs to read to get knowledge, information, and also entertainment. Or, in summary, we can say reading is truly important in our life. Okay, Miss, I think enough for my present. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for group 1 and giving applause for group 1. Okay, the next group.
Okay, the importance of reading. I think that reading is a very important activity in our life. So, we can get a lot of knowledge about many things in the world, such as science, technology, sports, art, culture, etc. Secondly, by reading, we can get a lot of new and information about some things. And another reason, reading can give us pleasure too. When we are tired, we read books, novel, comics, newspaper, or magazine on the entertainment columns such as comedy, short story, quiz, etc. to make us relax. The last, reading can also take us to other parts of the world. By reading a book about Irian Jaya, we may feel we are really sick in the junks, not at home in our rooms. Okay, that's all. Okay.
Miss, I feel bored. Oke, sekarang kita akan ice breaking.
Oke, Miss.
Okay, Miss. Yay!
Oke, ikuti Miss ya. Miss kasih example. Nah, oke. In underby. So, lihat pena Miss, terus nanti Miss tanya ini ada di mana, terus kalian jawab.
Oh.
Yang bisa, ini per grup ya, grup 1 dan grup 2. Kalau banyak poin grup 2, yang akan menang Miss kasih gift.
Oh.
Oke ya.
Gimana Kak?
Jadi kalian ikut Miss nyanyi juga, oke?
Oke.
1, 2, 2, 3. On in underbite, on in underbite, on in underbite. Where is the pen?
Under.
Okay, the first
Yay!
answer to from group 1. One again.
Okay.
Tapi sebelum jawab kalian harus raise hand, oke?
And say yes, miss.
Yes.
Oh.
Oke? Next. On in underbite, on in underbite, on in underbite. Where is the pen?
Yes, miss.
Nabila. Oke, good job Nabila.
Oh,
Oke guys,
master.
karena skornya seri, kita next week ya.
Okay, miss.
Okay, good job guys. I think everyone understand today material. And what did you learn about today, Nabila?
About hereditary exposition.
Okay. And how about you, Yosi?
Hereditary exposition means
And what is definition hereditary exposition, Abdul?
Okay, miss. Definition is a type of a text that is intended to explain the listeners.
Okay, good, Abdul. Okay, guys, because the time is over, we will continue again next week, ya.
Okay.
Okay,
Don't
miss.
forget to study at home. Thank you for your attention. And don't forget, let's say hamdalah.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi